tardes, bienvenidos. Espero que todos se encuentren muy bien en casita, acatando las órdenes de prevención. El video que vamos a tener el día de hoy está relacionado con restas prestando. Es un tutorial que les va a mostrar cómo trabajamos con la metodología de Singapur. Espero sea de mucha utilidad. Okay, here we have as subtractions, we have the place value chart. Here, ones, tens, the number is 68 minus 4. We are going to show you this using the manipulatives. Here we have 6 bars of tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. So the idea in this case is that we can start to solve this subtraction by the ones place. Here we have 8 and here we have 4 ones. So we are going to use the manipulative to show what you have to do in this case. As you can see, here we have 2, 4, 6, and 8 ones. The idea is to remove 4 of them. So now the product is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 tens and 4 ones. The product is 64. Now you can see that 8 minus 4 is 4. In this case, the number that we have in the tens place is the same number that you have in the product. So 68 minus 4 is 64. Here we have the same subtraction, but in this case we have different manipulatives. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60 in the ones, in the tens place. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 7 and 8 in the ones place. So we need to solve 8 minus 4, that is 4. We are going to remove 4 of the ones that we have here. Also, we have another different manipulatives. We have the bars and the pop cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 tens, and 8 ones. The idea is that we can solve using this subtraction. So 8 minus 4, here we have 8 minus 4 equal 64. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 4. Into account the Singapore methodology, we also can use the counting backwards form. In this case, we have the same subtraction, 68 minus 4. What are you going to do in this case? In this case, you need to count backwards. You are going to start by 68, so you say 67, 66, 65, and 64. In that way, you will get the product. In this case, you can use the strategy with you feel comfortable to solve that subtraction regrouping. Queridas familias, muchas gracias por su atención. Si tienen alguna duda o pregunta acerca de cómo trabajar con esta metodología, no olviden contactarnos vía Fidias. Espero que este video haya sido de gran utilidad. Que tengan todos un feliz inicio de semana, que estén muy bien y que Dios los bendiga. Hasta la próxima.